Welcome back to Lindy's channel. This is Lindiorslife, and come along with me and watch me basically fail at a quick weave. But not fail, but I just had to show y'all that even me, who I do my hair all the time, sometimes it doesn't work out the best. So this is the same hair that I used for multiple quick weaves ago. I was using it for a side part. I decided to finesse it for a middle part. And finesse it for a middle part, I did, okay? Not the best, honestly, and I did have reservations about doing a middle part, especially because my hair is still very short from the pixie cut that I had, but I was like, oh, let me try it. Let me just let you know I hate it. But I mean, the technique is there. Essentially, this time around, I used 2 stocking caps because I found I was still finding glue on my hair when I used 1 stocking cap. So make sure you use 2 stocking caps. Spray spritz before you put the glue removal thing on, to like mold it down and make sure glue doesn't get on your head. You gotta do spritz first, then that, blow dry all of that, and then get ready with the tracks. And you really just go glue. I usually blow on a little bit, get a little tacky, and then I put it right on my head, press it down. And for me, I'll probably go every couple tracks that I'll come back with the blow dryer and just make sure they're good and solid in there. As you can see, right, blow it and press it down like that, like that. And that's pretty much the technique I use. And then you will see how I styled it at the end of this video and how I don't really love it, but it'll do for now. If you have any tips on leave out, let me know because I'm struggling. But yeah. All right, y'all, this is the final install. As we can see, that took me some time. Had to do some, shaking, moving and shaking, specifically because I use these same bundles for a side part, but now I have a middle part, so I gotta, like, you know, switch it up on the girl. This is the final install. I will curl the hair and come back and show y'all all this, but these are the same bundles that I've been using, reusing, and they are still lovely. Little tangles here and there now, but definitely not shedding bad or nothing like that. So Amazon might have had one with this one. I'll link it all in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, you know, the comment section, and let me know how you feel about this install and these bundles and me and everything. So bye. To take the style out of my hair with y'all, because I don't know, I feel like a middle part quick weave, or this middle part quick weave, just can't be straight. So we're gonna style it, and I cut layers. I cut layers, so you know, you cut layers, you kind of just have to curl your hair and see how it turns out. That's kind of what happened here. So we got a bigger comb. Let's see if I cut enough layers or not. I don't know, girls. I think we might have something going on. My leave out left out, but that's something that we can always go in and alter. Hold up. Actually, can we? I can't. I need volume up here. Maybe I should. Ooh, okay. I think that's where I want volume. Hate it. I don't know what to say, but it's just not the vibe.